Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by defining exactly what Gg Hp Cpm measures and why it matters to gameplay balance. Once done, gather baseline data, player HP pools, hit counts, and the time windows you'll use for CPM. Next, pick your tools, a spreadsheet for quick proofs, Python for automation, or the game's scripting API for real-time adjustment. Make sure to label fields consistently so you can merge logs later. That makes calculation reliable and repeatable. You now implement the math. Normalize HP to a single scale so different classes compare fairly, then compute CPM as hits per minute across your chosen interval. Once those raw values exist, combine them into the GG score using a weighted formula that reflects design goals. For example, GG equals 0. 6 asterisk normalized HP plus 0. 4 asterisk CPM normalized. Use smoothing like moving averages to reduce noise. Test on sample logs and iterate weights until results match expected behavior. You finish by running structured playtests and examining the GG score distribution versus your balance objectives. Once you confirm trends, tune weights and smoothing parameters, then document the final formula and implementation steps so others can reproduce it. If results look off, first check for data gaps, inconsistent timestamps, or rounding errors. These are the most common causes. Finally, validate in live or extended sessions to ensure stability before rolling out the updated Gg Hp Cpm metric.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.